Hello everybody. So this is about transseptal puncture. In order to understand the transseptal puncture technique well, first we need to understand the septum. So let's go over it real quick. When we puncture the septum, we puncture at the fossa ovalis. Puncturing anywhere other than fossa ovalis can be really dangerous. And we'll see how things makes more sense when we go back to embryology. I know we all do not love embryology very dearly, but spending just 2 minutes on it here might help you understand transseptal puncture better. So what happens in the embryologic stage? You have endocardial cushion right here. Think this is the left atrium. This is the right atrium. So the pericardial reflection from left atrium throws a curtain downwards which meets the endocardial cushion. That's your septum primum. Now in the fetal life, the blood flow should continue from right side of the heart to the left side of the heart, as the lungs are not active. This primum develops a very useful defect, the defect which allows continuous blood flow across. Invagination of the right side of the septum starts going down. Now this invagination is typically way thicker than the invagination from the left side. This thicker invagination of the pericardial reflection is called septum secundum. Okay, now if you carefully observe the area of the septum in this place has only one layer, and that's the thinnest part of septum. If you look at the same thing face on, how it would look like. So that's your septum secundum. We are looking at the septum from the right atrial side, and this red one is behind it. That's part of the septum primum. Now if you notice carefully, this is the part of the septum right here, is actually right here, is called fossa ovalis. Now let's bring your needle, which you're going to use to cross the septum. So this is your system which you're going to use to cross the septum. That's the thinnest part. That's why when you press on it, it tints. So if you are trying to cross the septum, so for example, you're here, your device may not help tenting the septum because it's too thick part. So if you're pressing and the septum is not tenting, you're on the wrong part of the septum. You're not in the fossa ovalis where you want to puncture. Now since these septums are made up of nothing but reflection of the pericardium, you understand puncturing anywhere other than in the area of fossa ovalis might take you to the pericardial space, leading to effusion and tamponade. So that's the reason we want to puncture here in the fossa ovalis area. It's a single layered structure, that's why it's flimsy and thin. It tends when you try to press here. Okay, so this was the part one. We'll do more applied septal anatomy and its relation with other structures to understand transseptal puncture better in the next session. Thank you for your concentration and thank you for watching this video.